Okay, now using three 2.5-inch bolts, we want to put together the arm module. And we have the longer arm on the top, the shorter arm on the bottom, and then the end arm on the left. There are three 2-inch bolts and one 2.5-inch bolt. And the 2.5-inch bolt you want to use for mounting the second motor to the arm assembly. Now the arm assembly is finished. Some other modifications. I put a small hole here on the main arm with a box cutter just so that the wire for this motor is accessible. And secondly, which I had to do, hopefully you won't have to do this, is make a second hole on the main arm closer to the bottom so that the end arm can rotate. So you may have to do this depending on how the arm turns out after you glue it together.